Alright, welcome to the Brockbot. Basically what we have here is a program that works exclusively with Brock Auto Supply. What it does is it allows you, the seller, to work with Brock Auto Supply, the dropshipper, to go ahead, spider their website, create the CSV for your file exchange uploads. So, as you can see, we're logged in. We're going to go to settings and config. We're going to put in our location. I'm actually in Westville, Illinois. Whoop. Westville, Illinois. Your store category. If you have specific store categories, let's say you have your own eBay store, you're selling products, and you want this to upload to a specific store, we go ahead and let's put that in. Alright. Now let's get to the good stuff here. First, this is your throttle. Your throttle adjustment, depending on your internet speed, will tell you how fast or how slow that this will go ahead and create and pull the information you need. So I keep it at about 10. I've got an average, I've got an average internet at home, but this is what I use. Now, your subtitles. Anytime we're going to adjust the subtitles, we're going to click custom. And considering we're going to use a generic one for all of them, let's just say, let's tell them we have a 120-day warranty. 120-day warranty. We'll say 60-day return. Warranty, 60-day return. Shop smart. You know what you use, and you know how you optimize. So the subtitle is going to be up to you. Now, as far as the quantity, Brockbot does not check the quantity available. Brock Auto Supply does keep a lot of items in stock. I always put 10. It looks good. It gives the buyer confidence. Your price. Number 2 is a 50% markup. I leave everything at 2. I want that 50% markup because that not only is going to be money in my pocket, but it's also going to cover any shipping. Brock Auto Supply does free shipping for orders $40 and more. So if you have a $100 sale, it was a $50 part, you just made $50. And the shipping was free. Now let's go to here, your shipping profile, your return profile, and your payment profile. With the shipping, and when you set up your eBay, you set up policies. Or you should have set up policies. Most larger drop shippers have policies set up. So this will need to match, word for word, your shipping policy. So let's say you have it at 1 to 3 day shipping. And that is exactly how you have it written. Alright, it has to be the same. Return profile. We got a 60-day returns. Again, this needs to match what you set up in your return payment profile. You should have set the same thing up also. Alright. The nice thing about the Brockbot is it will generate a custom HTML for you. Okay? So, I have a version here. All copies of the Brockbot will come with a generic template. The generic template is just that. There's nothing fancy about it. But if you want to change it around, you can add in all of your own values, your title, subtitle, price, picture, Hollander number. All of those can be placed in your custom HTML. I always like to back up whatever I put in and generate description. What generate description is going to do is let the Brockbot know that you're ready. You've got in what you need. Now, let's go ahead and refresh that. So let's find some Hollander numbers. So we're just going to take a couple of them. Now, since I've already ran this a couple of times, you want to delete and prepare your CSV. Anytime you change Hollander numbers, delete and prepare your CSV. If this is your first time using it, just click prepare, it'll get everything ready. Now let's drop in those Hollander numbers, add it to the list, and grab info and let it go. Now what's happening is the Brockbot is going through the Brock Auto Parts website. It is grabbing the Hollander number, it'll grab the title, the picture, and the first number you saw was the price. So that $45.33 is a 50% markup of what the price actually is. You can see we've running on the next one. We've got one left. You can run up to about 1,000 Hollander numbers at a time. You know, I think 1,000 is what we've maxed out on. It's ran strong with that, with no issues and no errors. Alright, that data is saved successfully. That means it has spidered that site, grabbed that information, and in your C drive will be a file that is already pre-built with all of the information that eBay Motors will require. Make sure your comma separated, and let's open it up. We're just going to grab read only right now. I like to open a copy because I like to adjust my titles. The Brockbot does limit to 80 characters. So as you can see, everything is filled in as far as your return profiles, payments, your store categories. This is now ready to upload directly to File Exchange. This is ready to go. So with that, it's a quick run through of the Brockbot. Thank you. And I will be getting up more in detailed instructions and instructional videos here shortly.